This is Katie Lehman for CHEV bringing you today's 5 o'clock news. We begin this evening's newscast with a story regarding standardized testing changes. The SAT college exam will undergo sweeping changes on what's tested, how it's scored, and how students can prepare. College Board President and CEO David Coleman said Wednesday, the test will include 3 sections: evidence-based, reading and writing, math, and an optional essay. The test will shift from its current score scale of 2,400 back to 1,600 with a separate score for the essay. No longer will the test takers be penalized for choosing incorrect answers. The new test is set to be implemented in 2016. It was a violent night in Indianapolis last night. A suspected narcotics dealer is dead after opening fire on SWAT officers Wednesday evening on the city's south side, police said. Indianapolis police released the identity of the man early Thursday morning. Investigators said officers defensively shot Andrew Sizemore, 27, killing him. The shooting happened just before 8 p.m. in the 1600 block on South State Avenue. Indy SWAT officers were serving a drug warrant to Sizemore, a high-risk felon at the house of a known drug family, sources said. IMPD officers said familiar with the house believed illegal drugs were being sold out of the house. When police arrived to the house, Sizemore reportedly started firing his gun at officers from inside the home, authorities said. IMPD said officers feared for their lives and immediately returned fire, killing the suspect. And finally, an update on Carmel's high school sports. Last night was the first boys basketball game for the Greyhounds in the IHSAA sectional tournament. Carmel won 47-43. Keegan Culp had 2 3-pointers in the fourth to tie it before taking the lead. The Greyhounds are back in action against North Central on Friday at 7:30 in the Noblesville Gymnasium. Thank you for tuning in for this edition of CHTV's Daily News. I'm Katie Lehman. Have a good evening, Carmel.